So you are using a Wi-Fi network and you want to see the Wi-Fi network correct password. Right now, I'll show you the exact way to easily find out any connected Wi-Fi network password. Just follow these easy steps. First of all, go to your Android phone settings and tap on connections, go to Wi-Fi, and now just tap on the settings icon next to the Wi-Fi you are connected. And here, if you see this password option on your iPhone, just tap on this eye icon and verify your phone pattern. And if your Android phone supports this password feature, then you will be able to easily see the Wi-Fi connected password. And this password option is not available for all Androids. So right now I'll show you the way how you can see the connected password. So just click on the settings icon next to the Wi-Fi you are connected, and now here just tap on QR code and verify your phone password or pattern. And here you will see a QR code generated for the specific Wi-Fi network. Now you have to save the QR code. Once the QR code saved in your phone gallery, now open a browser on your mobile and search for QR code reader. And here scroll down and you have to open this website scanqr.org. And now tap on scan now. Tap on this icon and go ahead and just upload the Wi-Fi QR code in this website. Once the QR code uploaded, scroll down and tap on generate, and here you will see the Wi-Fi name. So as you can see, my Wi-Fi name is loading. So here we can see loading. So this is the Wi-Fi name, and after p colon here we can see the Wi-Fi password. So my Wi-Fi password is PUTUSH25. So if I go to my settings again and if I view the password, as you can see the password is PUTUSH25. So in this way you will be able to easily see any connected Wi-Fi password. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.